guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make kadhai mushroom. So before that, first we have to make a masala. So to make the masala, we require 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, dhania seeds. I've taken 1 inch of cinnamon. I've taken 2 elaichis. I've taken 3 cloves. I've taken 1 bay leaf, 1 tej patta. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I've taken 3 red chilies and I have taken 1 teaspoon of jeera. So now we have to dry roast these masalas. To make the masala, we add in jeera, we add in the other masalas. Now we have to dry roast these masalas for 1 minute at a low flame. One minute is over and now we have to blend this. Our kadhai masala is ready. So now let's have a look at the other ingredients. I have taken 1 large sized onion finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, dhania patti. I have taken 10 to 15 garlic. I have crushed it, and I have taken 1 inch of ginger, which I have crushed it again. And here I have taken 200 grams of mushroom. I have taken 1 bell pepper. I have taken 1 medium sized onion. I have taken 2 tomatoes. I have made a puree out of it. I have taken 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is the kadhai masala that we had made, and I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil. So let's get started. We require salt as per taste, and I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, it's not at all a problem. You can use malai if you have. So let's get started. So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. I've heated the pan. Keep the flame at medium. I forgot to tell you one more thing, that we need 1 teaspoon of jeera. Now to this we'll be adding in the bell peppers and the onions, and now we have to saute this for few seconds at high flame. Make sure that the flame is high. We are just giving it a fry. After around 30 seconds, now we'll be adding in the mushrooms to this, and now we have to saute this again for some minutes. Now we had sauteed it for around 2 minutes, and now we'll keep it aside. I forgot to tell you, we need 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi also. So now we again take the pan, and now to this pan we'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of oil, and now let the oil get heated a bit. After the oil is heated, now to this we'll be adding in the chopped onions. Saute it for few seconds. I forgot to tell you that we need to add in jeera also. I forgot to add jeera initially. So now let's saute it for few seconds. So now you can see our onions have turned light golden. So now to this we'll be adding in the crushed ginger and the garlic, and we need to saute it for few seconds. And we took around 2 minutes to bring it to light golden color. To reach this stage, it took around 3 minutes. You can see that onions have turned golden brown. Now to this we'll be adding in the tomato puree. Now to this we'll be adding in our kadhai masala. We'll be adding in the red chili powder and the turmeric powder. And at this point of time we'll be adding in some salt so that the tomatoes get cooked faster. I'm adding in some salt. Mix the masalas. We'll have to cook this till the masala starts to leave oil. Make sure that you keep mixing the masalas. You can see that the masalas are leaving oil. So now to this we'll be adding in around half glass of water. Give it a mix. Now you can make the flame at high. Now to this we'll be adding in the cream. I have taken 2 tablespoons of cream. Give it a mix. You can see how delicious it looks. You can see the color. It looks really yummy. After mixing it for a few seconds, now to this we'll be adding in the sauteed capsicum, mushrooms and the onions. Give it a mix. Took around 5 minutes to make this. Now to this we'll be adding in the kasuri methi. Give it a mix. To this we'll be adding in the chopped coriander. And now this is ready to be served. Give it a mix and this is done, ready to be served. Now our kadhai mushroom is ready to be served. You can see how yummy and delicious it looks. If you liked my channel, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you guys.